Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana, as we take a drive along S Carrollton Avenue, one of the city's most important and recognizable thoroughfares. Stretching through several historic neighborhoods, this avenue serves as a major connection between uptown New Orleans, Mid-City, and areas near City Park. S Carrollton Avenue traces its origins to the 19th century, when the area developed alongside expanding streetcar lines that helped shape the growth of New Orleans beyond the original downtown core. The avenue is named after Charles Carroll, a signer of the Declaration of Independence, reflecting a tradition of honoring prominent historical figures in the city's street names. By the late 1800s and early 1900s, the corridor had become a bustling residential and commercial route lined with homes, businesses, and public transit. As we travel along the avenue, you may notice the iconic streetcar tracks running down the center. The St. Charles Avenue streetcar line, one of the oldest continuously operating streetcar systems in the world, connects nearby routes and remains an essential part of daily transportation in New Orleans. These streetcars have operated since the 1800s and are recognized as a National Historic Landmark, symbolizing the city's long-standing public transit tradition. S Carrollton Avenue passes near several key landmarks, including Tulane University and Loyola University, both founded in the 19th century and central to the city's educational and cultural life. The surrounding neighborhoods feature a blend of historic homes, local restaurants, and small businesses that reflect the diverse character of New Orleans communities. Thanks for watching!